Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be going over some acid-base titration problems. So for the first problem here, what is the concentration of an H2SO4 solution if 42 milliliters of it is completely neutralized by 63 milliliters of 0.250 moles per liter of NaOH? So firstly, before we start anything, we need to write a chemical equation, and for this it's going to be H2SO4 plus NaOH is going to give us Na2SO4 plus H2O. And to balance this equation, we're going to simply put a 2 in front of the NaOH and a 2 in front of the H2O. Now with that in mind, we can start our stoich. So firstly, we're going to use our mole ratio. We're going to convert the 63 milliliters to 0.063 liters, and we're going to multiply that by the concentration of the NaOH, which is 0.250 moles per liter of NaOH. And using this, our liters are going to cancel, and we're simply going to be left with moles of NaOH on the top. And now that we have moles of NaOH, we're going to use our conversion factor. And since we're looking for H2SO4, H2SO4 is going to be on the top. And looking at our chemical equation, there's only 1 mole of H2SO4. And we have NaOH, which has 2 moles. So essentially we're going to be dividing by 2. And then from here, now that we have, and where we can see that the NaOH, the moles of NaOH is going to cancel. And then now from here that we have moles, we're going to divide by volume, or multiply by 1 over, and we're going to convert 40 milliliters to liters, which is going to be 0.042 liters. And now when we do all this and we plug it into our calculator, we're going to be left with and here we can see that we're going to get moles per liter, right? Since liter is on the bottom. When we plug it into the calculator, we're going to get 0.1875 moles per liter, or 0.188 moles per liter. Let's move on to the next problem. For problem 2, what mass of oxalic acid, or H2C2O4, with a molar mass of 90.03 grams per mole is needed to neutralize 25 milliliters of a 0.3 mole per liter NaOH solution? So for this problem here, once again, we're going to start off with our balanced chemical equation, which is going to be H2C2O4 plus NaOH. And that is going to give us Na2C2O4 plus H2O. And now here to balance this, we're going to once again put a 2 in front of the NaOH and a 2 in front of the H2O. And now we're going to start off with our liters. We're going to convert the 25 milliliters to liters. And so that's going to be 0.0250 liters times, we're trying to get moles of NaOH, so we're going to use the concentration 0.300 moles per liter of NaOH. We can see here our liters are going to cancel, and we're going to be left with moles of NaOH on the top. And then now we're going to use our conversion factor. Now right here we're looking for H2C2O4, which when we look at our chemical equation, simply only has 1 mole. So 1 H2C2O4 over 2 of NaOH. So we're once again dividing by 2 essentially. And then from here, now that we have moles of H2C2O4, to get our mass, we're going to multiply by the molar mass of H2C2. To get our molar mass, to get our mass, we're going to multiply by the molar mass of H2C2O4. So it's 90 0.03 grams per 1 mole. So we can see here that our moles are once again going to cancel, and we're simply going to be left with grams on the top. Now when you plug all this into a calculator, your final answer is going to be 0.3376 grams, or 0.338 grams rounded. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped.